Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup look. This video is a review of some Covergirl products that I received in the mail a few weeks ago. They sent me a really cute package, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I applied it. And also I'm going to show you another in-depth tutorial on my eyebrows. Every time I get a new product, I like to do a new in-depth video. I am using the Shadowsense from a company called Sense. I got these products from my friend Victoria. I will leave her information in the description box for you guys if you would like to check out this product that I'm using on my brows. But anyways, this video is a review, kind of like a first impression review of the new Covergirl. I don't know if it's glow up or whatever it's called, but this is kind of like a first impression on that, even though I won't be talking because as you can hear, there is a lot of background noise right now. So I'm going to leave my full review in the description box for you guys if you're interested, as well as all the products that is used on my face. Everything will be listed in the description box for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what you think of this tutorial. And if you have any suggestions in the future for me, let me know in the comment section, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, I know this is supposed to be a no talking video because of all the noise in the background of my kids, but my camera cut out whenever I applied the concealer. So I'm just going to show you guys what that concealer looks like. I am using the, what color is this? Shoot, I threw the box away. I'll leave it in the description box which one I'm using, but it looks like this. And this is what it looks like. Oops, hold on, let me get some more out. That's what it looks like, and this is what I applied under my eyes and as well as on my eyelids, and it gave like a real luminous glow. Like, it's definitely not a full coverage concealer. Let's see, it says it's a vital healthy concealer, so it just makes you look more awake without giving you that full coverage look, and it definitely feels a little bit more hydrating under my eyes than a normal concealer would. So yeah, and then I applied just like the smallest bit of translucent powder just to set that in place. So I'm gonna go back to not talking and just go ahead and finish my makeup. guys, my camera is definitely trying to play me because it cut out me just applying my concealer and curling my lashes, that's all. But this collection overall is... See, this is why I do no talking videos.